Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on a tensioner on a 2014 Toyota Tundra. Before I dive into this video, I want to give a big shout out to Nikki and Keegan. I think you both know who I'm talking about here, so give me a big old thumbs up. And better yet, if you are a Nikki or you are a Keegan, give me a thumbs up. And put something in the comments saying, Nikki from Canada, or Nikki from Nebraska, or Keegan from Connecticut, who knows. Give me a thumbs up and put a little comment. All right, let's get started. So if you just changed your serpentine belt and you were thinking about changing your tensioner also. All right, coming in from the bottom of the truck, I removed the skid plate. Look up here from the bottom. We see our tensioner. So we're going to relieve tension on the tensioner and we're going to hold it in place. It'll hold itself in place with an Allen wrench. 1/2-inch drive ratchet. I have the ratchet set to loosen. And I'm going to pull towards the driver's side. To loosen, and right there I'm going to stick the Allen wrench right there, just like that. So now I can take my ratchet off. The Allen wrench is holding the tensioner in the loosened position. New belt tensioner and new idler pulley. I'm going to start with the idler bearing, idler pulley. All right, so now I'm going to take the 14mm socket and I'm going to loosen. All right, let's see what I have here. I have a bolt, and that's it. Got my new bearing. Looks like both sides are the same. Just looking over it real good. All right, we'll put this back in. All right. Now we've got it tightened up by hand. We'll finish it off with the ratchet here. All right, let's go back down to the bottom side. So back down on the bottom side, I think I'm going to take this belt off of the tensioner here. Yeah, I had to take a picture up in there to see how many bolts we're holding on. It looked like right in the middle of shoulder bolt, requiring a 6mm Allen head. So I loosened it up. Okay, you can see that 6mm. And put this off to the side. And now all we need to remove is that bolt right there. Let's find out what size that is. So that one is a 12mm socket. So we'll get that one off. So I broke it loose. Finish it up by hand. Tensioner's gonna fall on me here, but that's okay. All right. See if I can maneuver this out of here. Careful with that Allen wrench. Careful with your fingers. Let me drop
pull straight down. And we'll put that off to the side. And we'll put the new one in. So the new one already has a pin in it, holding it in position to where we need it, which is nice. All right, let's get this in. All right, new tensioner is in place. Bolts are tightened down. Now's the time to look at your belt. Make sure you've routed your belt all in place all the way around. Make sure it's not halfway on or halfway off of anything. Once you've confirmed that your belt is routed, you take your long ratchet and then we're going to loosen the belt more and remove that pin. Since I need both of my hands for this, I figure we'll just put the camera on the ground. All right, I've got it loosened. I pulled that pin out, and now I'm going to slowly release. And there we go. Let's take a peek. All right. New tensioner. And new idler bearing up there. Now put your skid plate back on. Good to go.
Thank you for watching my video. Please click that like button if this helped you. Click that like button if you like the content on my channel. And if you like the content on my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. Catch you on my next video. Take care.